Hello and good evening. Before I share the trade plan for tomorrow, 23rd of August, Friday, um, let me apologize for my absence for last few days and sessions, and also inform you that this is likely to continue because I've got a lot of travel lined up in the days ahead. So my availability for studying the market will be a little less. What I'll try to do as much as possible is to keep you updated on the Telegram. Um, If you noticed what I shared in the Telegram uh, today, let me bring it up so that you can see what I did. Yeah. Do you see that I had mentioned 24,865 as the level? Minor targets, this much. Major targets I'd already mentioned. And I said the trend is up. So 24,865 is what you should be focusing on. And if you had actually seen the Nifty today morning, it opened. Where exactly it opened? देखिए अपने आप. This is where it opened. 24,867. Not where I had mentioned. It hit the target and it could never recover during the day. Bank Nifty was stronger. Bank Nifty was stronger, and interestingly, I had seen this candle pattern yesterday, but I couldn't speak because I was tied up. I couldn't share the details. But anyway, now for tomorrow, this level of 24,782 is very important on the closing basis. Intraday, the dip may be there. And if it is there, that's good news because that will give you the opportunity to buy at discount. But ये level बहुत जरूरी है to ensure that the trend is maintained 24,782. Uh, Today, Bank Nifty moved 0.6% versus 0.117% for Nifty. So Bank Nifty kind of showed some kind of a strength and it hit 51,087, which was the higher end of this box. It has covered the gap. Now what? Let's go one by one. I'm expecting 24,900 sooner or later for Nifty. If it comes tomorrow, I don't know, but it may. We may also see a dip up to 24,782, as I said. Use that dip to buy for long positions. It is only when this is broken and Nifty starts remaining below this, then you have cause to worry. Otherwise, trend is intact. It is still buy on dips. Okay. 24,900 is what I'm gunning for. It could be here and there a little bit. There is an intermediate resistance at 24,880 and 24,871. But then once 781 and 880 is crossed, then we obviously have 900, or it can be a few points here and there. For Bank Nifty, if the strength continues, we have the cycle time that is favorable around 11 o'clock tomorrow. And if 51,138 is broken, we could see 51,200 or 223 kind of level. And then we may also eventually see 51,481. But थोड़ा दूर लग रहा है वो. It's though it is, if Bank Nifty picks up strength, that's not impossible. But as of now, it is looking a little far fetched. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Be prepared for anything. But for sure, Bank Nifty sounds to be in good shape, maybe a little stronger than Nifty. But do not give up hopes on Nifty because Nifty is still above 24,782, which is good news. And even if you get an opportunity to buy at 24,782, you still have about um, how much? Some 900 minus 782. It's about good 100 plus points on the Nifty to move on the upside. For Bank Nifty, it all depends. It all depends upon first 5 minutes how that shapes out. I'll give you out a secret. Watch the first 5 minutes of HDFC Bank, and you'll get a lot of ideas on how Bank Nifty would behave tomorrow. That should help you, I guess. HDFC Bank has been struggling at 1639. So far, not able to break into this gap. But let's see what happens tomorrow. ICC Bank has been trying to move consistently on the upside and could probably look at the possibility of hitting this level, which is 1201. Let us see what happens. For Reliance, I think there is a possible up move up to 3042. Whether it comes tomorrow or next week, we have to see. Same with Infosys. Infosys is also attempting to touch 1903. So it is consolidating in the range for the last 2 3 days. Let's see what happens tomorrow. For sure, the trend is still up. Even if you get a dip in the morning, do not bother about buying puts. I think, irrespective of the fact which index you're choosing tomorrow. But in my opinion, puts would be avoidable unless until there is a massive gap up. Then there is a reason for you to consider correction after a massive gap up. As of now, looks a little tough. I don't think you will get a massive gap up. Okay. We are headed towards all-time highs. I had mentioned this on 12th or 13th August video that we may be seeing another set of all-time highs before the final correction sets in. That has happened. There has been a consistent up move ever since the low was made around 14th of August, around Independence Day se pehle. But after that, there has been a consistent move up. Make the best of this. Keep an eye on HDFC Bank. Trade sensibly. Do not overtrade. Do not overinvest in one trade. Keep your position in control. Wish you a green day tomorrow. Go green. Bye bye.